This city was once known as the seafood capital of the world. This coastal gem on the Mississippi Gulf Coast is packed with culture, history, and of course, plenty of beachside fun. In this video, we're going to Biloxi, Mississippi. We're sharing the top 5 things you absolutely have to do when visiting Biloxi, from historic sites to delicious seafood and even a little casino excitement. Let's dive in. Our first stop is the Biloxi Lighthouse, an iconic cast iron lighthouse that has stood tall since 1848. It's one of the most photographed landmarks on the Gulf Coast, and for good reason. You can even take a guided tour and climb to the top for panoramic views of the beach and city. Sunrise here? Absolutely stunning. Number 2, feeling lucky? The Beau Rivage Resort and Casino is Biloxi's most luxurious gaming and entertainment spot. From poker tables and slot machines to live music and fine dining, it's got it all. Even if you're not a gambler, the atmosphere and amenities make it worth a visit. Number 3, Biloxi's heart is rooted in the sea, and nowhere captures that better than the Maritime and Seafood Industry Museum. This place tells a story of the Gulf Coast's shrimping, oystering, and boat building industries, with historic boats, hands-on exhibits, and even a hurricane simulator. It's educational and immersive. Number 4, no trip to Biloxi is complete without soaking in some sun at Biloxi Beach. With calm waves, white sand, and a scenic fishing pier, it's perfect for a relaxing day out. Stroll the beachside boardwalk, rent jet skis, or just kick back with a good book. It's your coastal escape. Number 5, for a dose of creative inspiration, head to the Ohr-O'Keefe Museum of Art. Designed by architect Frank Gehry, the building itself is a work of art. Inside, you'll find quirky and bold ceramics by George E. Ohr, aka Mad Potter of Biloxi, as well as contemporary exhibits from Gulf Coast artists. So there you have it, 5 unforgettable things to do in Biloxi, Mississippi. Whether you're into history, art, beaches, or just looking to unwind, this city has something for everyone. Come visit Biloxi, Mississippi if you're ever in this part of the country. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.